Hi everyone, in this short video one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Jeep Patriot transponder key. This is a very common transponder key for Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge. This is how it's done on site with the 2023 OTEC new machine, coding machine. Let us know if you have any questions, comment below and we will reply. Thank you.
Hello everybody, we're working on a 2008 Jeep. This is the Jeep Liberty. Actually not Liberty, Jeep Patriot. So we're going to show you how to program the key. We're plugged into the OBD. We're going to go under Jeep. Jeep, hold on a second, let's find the Jeep. Jeep by vehicle, Patriot. The year is 2010. We're going to read the PIN code. All Chrysler model Jeep models require a PIN code for the programming to go through. Okay, the PIN code is 8814. We'll back up. Add a key. Enter the PIN code we just read, 8814. Continue. The key is in the ignition. The security light right there is blinking. We're going to wait for it to go off. It's off, and the machine is going to tell us success, and that's it. The key is programmed. We're going to test the buttons. The buttons work, and the vehicle starts. That's how you program a 2010 Jeep vehicle key. Thanks for watching, guys.